it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my Flagstaff home. I am here today to share with you a recipe for making your own shower moisturizer bar. I guess that's what you would call it. So anyway, instead of paying a lot of money like I have been from other stores, including Lush, that has some of my favorite, I love their Buffy bar, but I thought I would try making some of my own, and it's really not very difficult. There are just a few ingredients you're going to need. So let me go ahead and show you how to make these.
For this lotion bar, I'm going to start with a block of shea butter, and it calls for a half a cup of shea butter, half a cup of beeswax, and I like to use these little pellets, and a half a cup of coconut oil. Now this is 100% pure, cold pressed and unrefined, and you want to make sure that you get the kind that is solid at room temperature, because we're making a bar, so we want it to stay solid. So I have my half a cup, and I'm putting all of my ingredients into a pint mason jar, and that way then I can use this as the vessel for melting everything. Now I've got it in a saucepan with some water that's kind of at a gentle boil, and I'm just going to stir this as it melts, and then all of the shea butter, coconut oil, and beeswax will all kind of melt together. So remember, you want to keep stirring it while it's cooking, and just making sure that everything gets mixed together. And you'll know it's done because this will become completely clear. Okay, so now I've got this out, just setting on the counter, for maybe a minute, and then you add in your essential oils, and for this one I'm putting in 25 drops of lavender. And now what I'm going to do next is pour it into a silicone mold of some kind. I have these little silicone cupcake molds, so I'm going to use that. You could also use something, a mold like this, or even a plastic mold. This came with a soap making kit, and so you could put it in something like this as well. So this recipe filled up 4 cupcake molds. Now I am not going to move these because obviously they'll slop all over the place. So I'm going to leave these here until they get firm, probably about a half an hour. Sorry for the reflection of the light. And then I'm going to take these and move them into the refrigerator for maybe another hour. I can pop them out of the mold then, but then they need about 24 hours to set.
Wasn't that easy? Now let me tell you something about these shower bars. The way you use it, you want to keep it in a dish off to the side so that it's not getting sprayed by the water. Otherwise it will, disappear a lot faster. And then when you're finished, taking your shower, washing, using soap, everything, rinsing off, then before you turn off the water, yeah, you're gonna probably do this before you turn off the water. I do. And I take this little bar, and so my skin is wet, but not under the stream of the shower. And I rub it on my arms, both arms, and then I rub it on my legs and my backside as far as I can reach. Then I step out of the stream of the water, because I'm trying to stay warm, right, under the water. I step out of the stream of the water and do my front areas. Now, when you put this thing back in the dish, your hands are going to have a lot of this stuff on it. And so you're not going to want to run your hands through your hair, or you're going to get this stuff in your hair. So you don't have to stay completely out of the water after you've put this stuff on areas of your skin, but you also don't want to try to wash it off. The whole idea is that you're moisturizing your skin. And so you would do this instead of putting body lotion or moisturizer on the rest of your body. So anyway, what I do is I pick up a bar of soap or some body wash, and I wash my hands off really good before I go touching my hair or even my towel, because I don't want to get this on there. And then once you're ready to get out of the shower, then just take your towel and don't rub you don't want to rub it off. So just kind of pat yourself dry, and it is so nice. And it's winter here now, snow on the ground. It gets super dry, and it makes your skin really dry with heat running and all of this, and this keeps your skin moisturized all day long. So hopefully you'll give it a try and let me know what you think. So join me again on my Flagstaff home. If you're not a current subscriber, hit that button right there, and also ring the bell, hit that bell icon, and YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. And I hope I'll see you again. Take care, you guys. Bye.